Chuck, what fancy word did you just use?
Esoteric.
Esoteric. This isn't esoteric.
We got to get that
The
off.
pump off.
That's got to come off.
Andre said he'd be here too. He's probably running a little late. I saw him about 12:30.
Well, he does hang out at the hangar. So you kind of expect that.
He was shining up something in Unit 19 today.
Okay. Oh yeah, more or less.
On paper, it's evening.
Yeah, close enough.
Hello.
Evening.
Welcome home. Welcome back.
A little bit. Yep. So, what we're going to do here, we got to get the fuel pump off, the water pump, the fan, water pump, timing chain cover, and then ultimately the timing chain. We got to get the harmonic balancer off too. Then we'll flip the engine over, and we'll drop the oil pan or lift the oil pan off. And we'll have a look at the main bearings. We'll get the pistons out, we'll get the crank out, we'll look at the bearings, both the main and rod bearings. We'll assess the condition of the bottom end. I expect that it's going to be okay. It may not be great, but it should be okay.
Tolerable.
Better than bad.
Tolerable good.
Yes.
So
Tolerable good.
Yes.
Yeah. So anything that's not the block.
Yeah, you can unbolt a bunch of stuff, and then we'll look at the
Okay.
guts
The
of
light?
the engine and make a
Oh, look.
determination
What?
as to
All right, cool.
what it needs, where it's going, where it's been.
Oh, not even on it. Popped out.
Hate it when that happens.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not even tight.
You ever see that meme online where it's a bent connecting rod that's all crumpled down and says, "Don't you hate it when it pops out and doesn't go back in?"
That's gonna be your mood all day. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Come on, man. You know me.
I'm warned.
It's dirty jokes all the time. Have you been watching the videos? Have you missed out?
Watch them.
We've gotten crazy. I don't know about crazy.
As long as you're having fun, who cares?
It is fun. Now it popped over to tighten. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. And I'm sure you know because you kind of know car stuff. This is a combination fuel and vacuum pump.
Yes.
Yes. Yay! Chris knows these things.
Mine's in the oil pump
Yes.
on my.
Yes. Oh, hey, look!
Why don't we make it $20?
More people.
The good news is there's no more coolant left.
That's entirely,
One
started this.
combination
Get finished.
fuel / vacuum pump.
Wouldn't that help a little bit too?
Check.
Well, the Buck Arcadia.
I absolutely use this.
Yeah, we'll put those there for
Would you
now.
guys be opposed to paying